Good morning, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, we are unboxing a Globeland order. So this is an ambassador program where, I do the unboxing with you, and then in subsequent videos, we'll showcase a couple of the products and show you the various ways that you might be able to use them. So this is an eclectic order, and there's a reason for that, which I will discuss. I've already opened it because I didn't think there was an issue, and I was surprised it came when it did. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. It's here, so yay, fun stuff. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. So as you can see, I already have it out of the packaging. I have it under the box just to disguise it. While we open it, go through it. So we're going to do that. So and we have some chicken part key rings, and this is the thing that's super eclectic that you're gonna be like, what is that? So all I can say about this is not one of the makes I can make right now. You will see this in a future video, but I'm trying not to give something away. I've mentioned previously that we are going to do a chicken wing cook-off when we are over the winter with some friends. And so I have to make the prize. So these chicken parts are part of the prize. So I will show these in a future video. However, I can't show them now because I cannot air that particular thing until after the prize has been given. So these are going to get used in a very fun and eclectic way, not journal related, but just a really fun aspect of life that I'm using the chicken parts for. I'm hoping they're not too heavy. They're a little bit larger than what I had anticipated, so it'll be interesting. Okay, in this, we also have some fall dies, some leaf dies. So let's look at those. And you guys know that in the description box below are the links to everything, as well as the discount code, the coupon code, okay? So please make sure if you go over to Globeland and you're ordering, you're using that code, it saves you 10%. It also lets Globeland know that you got to them via me, because that code is specific to me, obviously, because it's my name, right? Okay, so these are the leaf dies, and oh my goodness, how fun are these gonna be? Really looking forward to these, and these are absolutely perfect timing due to a collaboration that I am doing. So the make that we do with those will be used for collaboration. Also have this sheet of a variety of chickens. This is amazing and it's wonderful. So we'll make a few things with that. Oh, there's a turkey too. So how perfect that there's a turkey as we're going. Oh, there's a turkey also. Well, how wonderful that there's turkeys in there, because those will totally play into my collaboration project. Yeah. So fun stuff there for the chickens, okay? And then this is the hiccup. This is why I thought my order wasn't being sent, because they said they were out of stock for these, which I'm so glad they're not out of stock, because I am really excited. And 2 of them came, which is absolutely fantastic, because we know I'm a little bit rough on my stencils. So these are going to be amazing. Amazing. So we've got stencils, we have our leaf dies, which are going to be so much fun. Okay. Let me tell you what the numbers are before I get these out of packages, so that you know. The stencils are DIY-F018-B21. So that's the number for the stencils. And again, the links for these products will be in the description box below. These cutting dies that are the leaves, DIY-WH030922157. So awesome there. Okay. The chicken stamps for the variety of the chickens. These are, oh, there's another turkey. There's 3 turkeys in here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, perfect, perfect. I didn't even realize that. That's fantastic. Okay. The chickens are DIYWH02960012. And I mean, the chicken nuggets are KEYCFG000103. And know that these are totally for a fun prize and a joke. They are not appearing in any of my journals. It is just to make a really eclectic prize. Okay, so that is it for this video. In the next Globeland videos, you will see makes using these projects. Again, I will not be using these in a current make. It cannot air until later, but they are going to get used. So thank you very much, Globeland, for sending me some fun things to work with. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you all for joining me. I hope that you're enjoying these videos, and I hope that you're enjoying the discount code if you're shopping. So thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.